Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we're not milling today. I have a how-to video. This is not my idea. I can't remember whose video I watched. And when I saw it, I thought, man, what a fantastic idea on how to level up your bed or how to get it all planar. You know, your bed doesn't have to be level. It has to be planar. The tracks have to roll together. We could have this thing up. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea. Maybe go up a little bit of a degree and then have auto turn coming home, you know, because since it's manual, make it on a hill. But as long as these rails are parallel and on the same plane, we're going to win when we cut our lumber. So if you know whose video this was, who put something out like that, let me know so I can give them some credit. But it's a great idea, and I'm going to tell you what I've got, and then I'll get you some close-ups. So right now I got a string and 2 blocks cut on each end, and they're clamped to the last bunk. And I'm going to measure the height. So what I did, I don't know if you can see this, I have another block. I'm going to come in closer now to you. You can see those lines. These 2 lines are kind of like my go, no-go gauge. So let's see how this works. All right, so I have this gauge and I have this string running the distance of this. And if I take this no-go gauge, go, no-go gauge, it's just it's right at the bottom of that first line. Hopefully you can see it. My line isn't perfect. So the bottom line is pretty much where I need to be. So let's check this one. Now you can see, let's see. See the difference there? Let's check so that string has to go, that bunk has to go down. You can see that one's off. That one's off. I hope you can see these well. Now that one's starting to come back. And this should be the closest. Okay. So we have to lower the bunks. So let's go around to the other side, because those are the handles we'll have to crank. All right, so this one right here, let's get this one tuned in. So that looks to me, that bunk has to go down. So what I'm going to do, this is the closest leveling stand. So I'm going to crank it. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Went right down into it. Let's check this bunk now. You saw how far that was off. Wow, that looks pretty good. That's not bad either. Let's go down to this end. So let's check this one. That looks right on. And this last one here. I want to crank this one down just a little bit. Oop, wrong way. So I'm going to go up. That looks pretty good. Let's go back down here. That looks great. I'm going to move this string now to the other side of the bunk. So I moved it to this side now, and I'm going to check and move these accordingly. That looks really good. That's my loose one. Okay, this side has to go up. Okay, that looks really good. Okay, that looks really good. Now that one is off, so that's gonna go up. That looks pretty good. So I probably should double check it on the other side now that I made adjustments on this side. So how are we doing here? Oh, wrong way. Lower this just one more half turn. I'm in it. Okay, so this one has to go back up. There we go. That only took like a half a turn. So we're really fine tuning it now. I'm gonna say this probably has to go down. Nope, up. There we go. I'm gonna sight down the rail here. Just a nice flat track. And that's what I have. Wow. Looks good. I think that was a pretty simple way to fine tune that mill. Now, I should probably move it one more time. I'm going to come up again a little bit more. That'll do it, guys. You saw how I did that. I think that's the way to tune it in. It seemed like it worked really well. And if anybody, again, remembers that channel's name, send me a shout and I will give them credit for it. I'll give them a mention, because this isn't my idea. I was using strings before and just using a feeler gauge, a no-go-go gauge underneath it. Go, no-go gauge, that I'd slide underneath it. This is a lot easier. So guys, if you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you at the mill next time. Take care. Have a great day.